everybody, welcome back to my channel. So we're finally set up today in the right way. You know why? Because it's finally kind of bright outside. We're talking about today is Coach. So let's get on with the video. Like, when I was around 18, 19 years old, my parents took me to Coach and they were like, so Cartier, do you want a bag? Because my mom was getting a bag. She's like, did you want a bag? And I was like, no, Coach is for old people. I am now an old person because that's exactly what I went and got. It's down here. I got this beautiful bag. Thank you, son. Right on time. She is so gorgeous. She is called, go a little under there. She is called the Mara Hobo. It is in their signature and it is in their pebble leather and also in their, like, I think it's called the glove leather right up here and down here. It has pocket right here. It has a couple little compartments for your phone and keys, and then it has a big zipper on the inside. This purse is filled to the capacity because I've been using this bad boy consistently since I purchased her. She also comes with, let me show you, she also comes with a crossbody strap, which I love. I shouldn't have put it in the bag like that, but like, I love, and you can just hook this to this. It's so nice. It's truly a crossbody, especially if you have a little bit more body. She's still gonna work for you because it's got this belt situation, so you know. And if you're a little more on the plus, I'm pretty sure you can go to Coach and add another hook. I got her my headphones. I have everything in this bag, y'all. I have my headphones. I have my Rare Beauty like touch-up powder. I got my Charlotte Tilbury touch-up powder. Listen, okay. I also got this Coach card case in also the signature leather, and it's in the black and brown. Has your place for your ID. If you want to put a couple like little dwellers, it's in there. And yeah, I had to get it. I had to get her to match. Like, she had to have something to match. Not to mention, I am a card holder person. A wallet sounds good in theory, but that just means that I have to put more things in a wallet for it to work well for me. But a card case, real simple. So I got the Mara and the wallet from the Coach outlet. So even though, yeah, she's a Coach bag, but this bag is something that you're gonna get at the outlet. The actual Coach does not, she doesn't have this. The only thing I like from Coach itself is the tabbies. I'm gonna get that tabby 26 in all black. It's it's over. But like, they didn't have this, and I was like, I love the shape of this. The shape of it is so classic, and I never thought I would be a monogram girl, because normally I don't want you to know what I have. I don't want you to know the brand of purse that I'm carrying. Like, that's just on period. But I don't know, there's something about this which is so cute. It was $189. So I've noticed that a lot of designer brands now, they're not built to last like they used to. Plus, I know like Chanel, their quality has gone down a bit. Like, there are lots of big luxury houses that, because they're so popular, they're not keeping up with their quality control. And for me, that's a big deal. Why would I spend $5,000, $8,000, $1,500, $2,500, $50K on a bag that the quality is not even, that doesn't make any sense to me. But Coach, again, when my mom got her Coach bag, this was like back in 2008, 2009, and her bag is still, it's brand new, it's fresh. All she needs to do is clean the inside of it, but like on the outside, you wouldn't be able to tell. Like, that's the type of quality I'm talking about. If you can afford a Telfar, like if you got a Telfeezy, I have 2 of them, which I already showed you guys, then this is like right in the middle. And it's not plastic. That's not shade, because we love Telfar over here. But if you're one of those people who is willing to pay in between $120 and $230 for a bag, Coach Outlet specifically, they have you. Okay, so this leads me into my second purchase from Coach. Well, my second bag purchase from Coach, because I am a true believer in, if I start with the brand, I'm gonna stick with the brand. Like, you guys have seen me, for the most part, when it comes to clothing, I'm normally promoting, well, not promoting, but I'm normally trying on H&M, their premium selection, or I'm wearing Skims. Like today, I'm wearing Skims. When I really, really like a brand, that's the only thing I'm gonna purchase from. Like, what I don't like about ordering online from Coach is you don't get the real duster. Like, you don't get the box and the duster and all of that. They put it in plastic. It's to show y'all that it's a real one. She still got a tag on her. Look at this. Look at her. It's my fingers. Yep. This is the Klare. This is the, let me fix this real quick. This is the Klare. She is in the signature style. She is obviously all black, and it is in the patent leather and in their soft glove leather. She is an accordion, which is what I really, really wanted. I wanted one of their tabby type style purses, which is kind of like this, but not entirely. But I love the accordion style bag. I think that that is just so convenient. Y'all will be seeing this bag in December. Yeah, this is my holiday bag. This is the date night bag. This is, y'all are gonna see me go out to dinners, out to parties. She might even come out for Thanksgiving. So, just like the other one, she has a pocket in the back. This purse, she's everything. Oh, before I even get into it, the straps. So you cannot remove these straps like you can the others. But if you want to wear her on your shoulder, again, let me show. She's perfect here. And you can crossbody her up. And that is still just as cute. So it has a snap closure. On the inside is like it's like a suede. So you have this pocket number one, and then you have a zipper pocket. Let me just show you guys this way. Zipper pocket, pocket number two, pocket number three, and then you have a pocket right here. So like literal accordion style. Is she not precious? Listen, this bag was calling for me. I saw her on TikTok because after I got the Mara, I was like, I really don't even want another bag. Like, I don't really care to get another one. Like, I'm satisfied, I'm great. I saw this, I said, oh baby, let me go and get her. I'm not even like someone who's all the way for a patent leather situation, but bought this bag on a Tuesday and I got her on a Friday. She came quickly, okay? Granted, so did my other one. My other one came in the same amount of time, like 2 to 4 days. So like Coach, when it comes to Coach's shipping, they're about that life, and I love that. But this is just, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. Patent leather signature in the all black. Okay, but yeah, that is all I have for today on Coach. Again, luxury is legit what you make it. Like, luxury can be that $26 lip gloss that you just need to have. Shoot, luxury right now can be, you can go to Costco and get everything that you want. You know, on this channel, I'm not gonna tell you that you need anything because one, I don't know your pockets like that. Two, who am I to tell you what you need? Only you know what you need. Like, I'm probably the worst influencer on YouTube because I don't want to influence you to buy it. Like, if you think it's pretty and you can afford it and you can go for it, go for it. But if you think it's pretty and you want it and you can't afford it and it's gonna break your bank, don't do that. Like, don't do that. Wait it out. We're really close to Christmas, so put it on your wish list. Like, if anything, we're gonna do wish list over here. Thank you guys again for watching. I'm probably more than sure we might get 2 more. We might get 2 more. I'm not someone who goes kind of crazy on bags just because bags are like shoes. You can only wear 1 pair at a time. Don't take luxury too seriously. Don't even take the word luxury too seriously, you know? But do take quality seriously though. Quality over quantity all the time. Quality is luxury. That's all I'm gonna say about that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and you know I will see you in my next one, okay? Bye.